Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Again, the rain is slacking up a little bit. Well, it's sprinkling, but the rain is slacking up. You know, start then it stopped and all that. Yeah. So it's slacking up, y'all. Okay, it's sprinkling right now, but it's slacking up. You know. Yep. It's slacking up, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Here in New Orleans. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, like they said, this is New Orleans, y'all. You can relax here, you can relax there, and all that. Uh huh. Look how downtown New Orleans look. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, look like they almost had a collision right there. Look like that there was almost a collision. Dang, I was almost a collision. You know, I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. Hmm. That's a Ford right there. I thought that was a Kia. I thought that was a Kia for some reason. Uh huh. Yep. Yep. The rain slacking up a little bit, y'all. Okay. It's still sprinkling kind of, but the rain gonna slack up, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. Gotta do my important paperwork soon. Okay. Look at the bubbles. Well, if you guys see the bubbles, you know. All right. That's it for now. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.